In the month of July, we ran 2 different V5 summer camps for our middle and high school students. And they are participating in the VEX V5 program, where they're building with metal parts and learning the design process, engineering notebook skills, coding skills. They're going to support their adventures in robotics for the upcoming season.
For this week, this is more the advanced class week or placement, so we wanted more to focus on not the basics of robotics itself, but kind of more like advanced. So we helped them out over here with the building classes on like more advanced techniques you might see in competition. And for coding, which is what they're mostly doing behind us, as you may see, they're working on doing more advanced coding with more like sensors and text-based more than block-based programming to elevate kind of their game into the competition level.
I would tell other students to join because it's really fun and educational. In previous years of my experience, I haven't had real answers to my problems, and I feel like it's teaching me how to solve this.
My biggest hope for students is that they feel like a sense of belonging and that they are able to do this, that they are capable of doing things like this, the easy, the hard, and everything in between.